Best pill, Arnel Castillo ka. You know what? My friend Joseph Maspinas was very angry at you. What the hell is wrong with you, Best pill, Arnel Castillo? Why are you threatening me to shoot airsoft gun? You don't have an airsoft gun. You're a gay, Best pill. How would you ever shoot a airsoft gun? I say to you, Best pill. You know, Best pill, I say to you, you didn't learn how to shoot gun. Like me, I learned how to shoot gun. Oh, Michelle D. Marquez learns how to shoot gun. Me, I learned how to shoot gun na airsoft. Joshua Arroyo. Oh, Calvin Cuevas. The husband of Ma'am Jessa Fernandez can learn how to shoot airsoft gun. Oh, Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos, my friend. She learned how to shoot gun. Airsoft, airsoft. Even Kuya Mike Labitag, who learns how to shoot airsoft gun. What the hell is wrong with you, Best pill, Arnel Castillo? And you call me abnormal, and you call me PI, and you call me a Down syndrome? Excuse me, Arnel Castillo. I think you blame William Ducot, Best pill. If there's Sir William Ducot, if they're his mother, who is a congresswoman, Sanaida Ducot, I say to you, Best pill, Arnel Castillo, you're going to be sued for unjust vexation and cybercrime. After I move on with the Mang Rodelio Daguman and he was being scolded by Muntinlupa City Hall, here I go again, Best pill, Arnel Castillo. Remember Arnel Castillo, Best pill. Danmar has lots of evidence against you for what you did to the fans of TVJ. What the hell is wrong with you, Best pill, Arnel Castillo? Is this nice you calling me I'm Down syndrome? I'm not Down syndrome, Best pill, Arnel Castillo. You make wrong blaming. Do not drag my good friend Sir William Ducot into your goddamn stupidity, Best pill. If I were you, Best pill, Arnel Castillo, I should put you in the enemy list together with Ivy Montalayola, Mang Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, even Jeffrey Beltran and Anya Santos Dumalaog. Oh, you know what, Arnel Castillo, Best pill? If you insult Sir William Ducot, remember that, Best pill, Arnel Castillo. His mother was a congresswoman. She's gonna file the cases against you. Remember that, Best pill, Arnel Castillo. You know Arnel Castillo, Best pill? Do not threaten me to shoot with your stupid idea that you have an airsoft gun. You don't have airsoft gun, Best pill, Arnel Castillo. If you want to buy airsoft gun, Best pill, Arnel Castillo, go to TV Soria. Look for the airsoft gun. Oh. You didn't learn how to shoot a pistol, Best pill, Arnel Castillo. And you threaten me. You want to side with Bimby Aquino, the son of Chris Aquino. Bimby Aquino and Joshua Aquino, Best pill, Arnel Castillo, they are in United States. They are still with Chris Aquino. Oh. Joshua Aquino was in United States. He migrated there. Even Bimby. Do not drag Bimby Aquino and also Joshua Aquino into your mess, best pill. Arnel Castillo, ha? Arnel Castillo, best pill. You know, best pill, I say to you, puro ka kasi may kaaway. I say to you, best pill, you have lots of enemies. Is this a right to make enemies to that person? It is a right to blaming me. I was a Down syndrome. Best pill, Arnel Castillo. You got a wrong mess that you call me a Down syndrome. Do not drag my good friend Sir William Ducot into your mess, best pill. Arnel Castillo. Right now, Arnel Castillo, best pill. You are being sued by Vico Soto in the Pasay City. Sorry, Pasig City Prosecutor's Office. Vico Soto had already filed the cases against you, best pill, in the Pasig City Prosecutor's Office. Like I said in Filipino, madidemanda ka pa, best pill. Is this the right you call me an insult word, best pill? Look at me, best pill, If I were you, best pill. Remember, Joseph Maspinas, uncle who was in Quezon City. He will trace your IP address. You remember that, His uncle was in Davao City Police. He will coordinate with Quezon City Police. He will arrest you, best pill. Arnel Castillo. If I were you, best pill, Arnel Castillo, deactivate your goddamn Facebook and all of your Facebook account. Stop harassing me, calling me Down syndrome, and don't include my good friend Sir William Ducot. I am saying to you, Arnel Castillo, best pill.